When we decided to travel around Europe in a camper van, we had two options: save money or work directly on the road. We opted for the latter, which means working while traveling. In this article, or rather dossier, we'll try to provide you with all the information you need to work while living the van life. We'll explore whether it's truly feasible, discuss finances, various job options, methodology, and also share some tips. Is it possible to work and live in a van? The van life trend is booming, offering a lifestyle that combines freedom and simplicity, attracting more adventurers every day. However, behind the quest for freedom and the beautiful Instagram photos lies an undeniable reality: the need to generate income. Living on the road involves costs, vehicle maintenance, fuel, food, and leisure. So, is it really possible to work while embracing this nomadic life? The answer is an optimistic but realistic yes. Reality of van life: the necessity of generating income. Living in a van means adopting a lifestyle where economy and financial management are paramount. For many, this begins with saving before departure. Quick tip: remember to set aside an emergency fund for van-related contingencies. However, once on the road, it's essential to find ways to generate income continuously. Nevertheless, as we'll see later, van life can also be much cheaper, as you'll shed many expenses typically associated with a sedentary lifestyle. Specific challenges of working in a van: connectivity, space, time management. Connectivity, essential for remote work. Investing in a reliable mobile internet connection is crucial. Workspace, creating a functional office space in a confined area can be a challenge. Time management. In van life, the line between work and leisure can blur. It's crucial to establish balance and stick to a regular schedule. Our personal case: after 2 years of living in a camper van, we can affirm that yes, living in a van and working is possible. Living in a van and earning a living to sustain this lifestyle is also achievable. Living in a van and earning enough to save for the future is possible too, but it will immediately demand a very solid organization from you, because this way of living is very energy intensive. Know this right away. Your productivity will take a hit. What salary do you need in a van? Living in a van also requires clever financial management. Determining the necessary salary to live comfortably in a van involves considering various cost factors and strategically saving before departure. Estimating the costs of living in a van: food, maintenance, fuel, leisure. Living in a van comes with its expenses. Here's a list of the main costs to consider when assessing the necessary budget. Food. This varies depending on your eating habits. Van maintenance. Unexpected repairs can be costly. Having some mechanical knowledge isn't superfluous. Fuel. A variable cost depending on your travels. Leisure. Activities, visits, and other pleasures. Saving before departure. The importance of savings and financial management. Pre-travel savings are essential to ensure a smooth transition to van life. It's important to build an emergency fund to deal with unforeseen circumstances. Additionally, it's wise to cut unnecessary expenses and adopt a more frugal lifestyle before departure. This may involve temporary sacrifices, but they are often offset by the joys and freedom of life on the road. Our personal case: being able to travel and work was a long-standing desire, and it took us 10 years to make it happen because it was important to have enough funds available to feel more at ease. And when your clutch breaks twice in 2 months because a Spanish garage did a poor job and you're forced to live in Airbnbs for 2 months, you can be grateful for having managed your money well and having had a sum set aside for such problems. Sometimes it's the journey of a lifetime. Make sure it doesn't stop because of these kinds of issues. Governing is foreseeing, traveling is too. Connectivity and communication. After establishing the basics of van life and the financial aspects, it's essential to delve into connectivity, a vital pillar for those aspiring to work while traveling the roads. In this ever-moving universe, effective communication with clients or the work team is paramount for professional success. Solutions for staying connected. Access to the internet, although already mentioned as a necessity, becomes increasingly important when it comes to remote work. Opting for robust mobile internet proves to be a key solution. It's essential to choose a suitable plan, not only in terms of data volume but also coverage, especially in isolated regions. Investing in complementary technologies, such as signal boosters, for optimal connectivity might be wise. Additionally, using public Wi-Fi in cafes or libraries offers an alternative connectivity option, especially in urban areas. Effective communication with clients or the work team. In a setting where time zones and workplaces vary, maintaining clear and structured communication is crucial. Using modern digital tools facilitates this task. Adapting to different time zones and meticulously planning meetings contribute to smooth and professional collaboration. Communication and project management technologies online, mentioned previously, become indispensable allies for effectively managing professional exchanges, regardless of location. By integrating these aspects into your daily van life, you ensure a seamless transition between your professional and personal life while fully embracing the freedom offered by van life. Our personal case: internet connection and energy were the two most important aspects for us. They needed to be sufficiently sized to meet the demands of employers, partners, and clients. Without work, it would mean returning to a sedentary lifestyle. Therefore, we opted for an electrical setup with tiltable solar panels to ensure enough sunlight during the winter. Additionally, we installed a modem with dual SIM cards, an external dome, and 4 SIM cards, one for each operator. What jobs to pursue in a van? Following the exploration of financial aspects and connectivity for van life, it's crucial to consider the professional opportunities compatible with this lifestyle. Van lifers have a variety of flexible work options available, ranging from seasonal jobs to remote work, each with its own advantages and challenges. Seasonal jobs, a flexible option for van lifers. Seasonal jobs offer appreciable flexibility for those traveling in vans. These positions, available in various sectors such as tourism, agriculture, or winter sports, are ideal for those looking to work intensively for a period, then travel during the off-seasons. For example, jobs at ski resorts in winter or campgrounds in summer are popular among van lifers. These jobs not only provide an opportunity to earn money, but also offer the chance to experience new environments and meet other travelers. The Working Holiday Visa concept to combine work and travel. The Working Holiday Visa (WHV) is a fantastic option for those who wish to work and travel in different countries. This special visa allows staying in a foreign country while legally working there. This option is perfect for experiencing a new culture while funding your van adventure. Countries like Canada, Australia, and New Zealand are popular destinations for WHV holders, offering a multitude of job opportunities in often idyllic settings for van lifers. Becoming a freelancer or digital nomad. Opportunities and challenges. For those who prefer the flexibility of working at their own pace, becoming a freelancer or digital nomad is an attractive path. This option allows working from anywhere, provided there is a good internet connection. Fields like graphic design, web writing, software development, and social media management are particularly suitable for this mode of work. However, it's important to build a solid client base before hitting the road and be prepared for managing your own business. Our personal case. As we've explained earlier, the idea of embarking on this journey wasn't a spur-of-the-moment decision. Xavier had already considered the idea of traveling while working, and year after year built up a clientele with monthly contracts to have the minimum financial cushion to hope for a van life. But that's not all. Through a trusted relationship with his employer, he negotiated a part-time contract for full telecommuting post-COVID, albeit with a reduction in salary. For this, it was crucial to calculate the cost of living in a sedentary lifestyle versus the cost of living in a van to see what financial sacrifice was feasible. As for the types of jobs to consider, the options are numerous thanks to the internet. Almost any skill you possess can be monetized, whether it's selling courses on things you're proficient in, creating content, offering freelance services, or making a living from a passion you've had since childhood. Almost anything is possible. Challenges and solutions. Working while on the move presents unique challenges, but with the right practices, they can be transformed into rewarding opportunities. Main challenges of working in van life. Working in van life involves navigating through various challenges such as isolation, distraction, and technical issues. Distractions, often stemming from the ever-changing environment, can be managed by establishing a daily routine. As for technical issues, including internet connectivity and power outages, careful planning and investment in suitable equipment are essential. Our personal case. Now we're getting down to specifics because yes, working remotely requires iron discipline, but add to that the quest for new horizons, and you have a demon constantly tempting you away from your work. And I'm not joking. If you're the hedonistic type, you'll likely find yourself heading home quickly because you'll have consumed your reserves faster than you filled them. If you want your journey to endure, one word: discipline. For this, maintain a regular routine, even while on the move, as it helps to stay focused and productive. Get ahead with your work because you'll be tempted often. As soon as you feel motivated to work a bit, go for it. Organize your work to prioritize the most important tasks. When you're feeling a bit sluggish, tackle the easier tasks. Legal and financial aspects. Engaging in work in van life involves navigating the complexities of legal and financial aspects. It's essential to understand and effectively manage these aspects for a smooth experience. Managing the legal aspects of remote work. Van workers must address issues such as taxation, insurance, and professional domiciliation. Each country has its own tax rules, so it's crucial to research tax obligations and double taxation agreements. Similarly, ensuring coverage with insurance tailored to your nomadic lifestyle is crucial. Our personal case: living in a van and dealing with administration, two concepts that don't go together at all. You don't fit into any category. Nevertheless, know the most important thing. Wherever you are in the world, you must pay taxes, so consider domiciling yourself somewhere, as you may travel and spend little time in France, but always remember to pay your taxes. There are domiciliation companies, but we chose to domicile ourselves with relatives. This is totally allowed. Similarly, you can have a sole proprietorship, auto-entreprise, in France while traveling. It's even possible to have a sole proprietorship in France without living in France. It's always the same. As long as you pay your taxes, your fees, your charges, you won't have any problems. Being compliant with the authorities is one of the most important things. Conclusion: working in van life isn't just possible, it's a reality for many modern adventurers. With careful planning, effective management of financial and legal aspects, and a reliable connection, working in van life can transform into a rewarding and sustainable experience. Remember, the key lies in balancing work and discovery. By embracing flexible careers, navigating through the challenges of isolation and distraction, and staying proactive in the face of the unexpected, van lifers can fully enjoy the freedom offered by this unique lifestyle. Ultimately, working in van life is about reinventing how we live and work, breaking down traditional barriers.